This virus is currently dormant inside of you. It is the first identified virus that causes cancer. How can you make sure it stays asleep? This virus is widespread with a high global prevalence. It is estimated that over 90% of the world's population becomes infected with this virus during their lifetime. Globally, it is estimated that hundreds of thousands of people suffer from the virus each year. However, it remains dormant, awaiting to unleash its devastating effect. The disease course varies. After being exposed to the virus, its incubation period inside of you starts. Children usually have few or even no symptoms. If the infection is delayed to adolescence or adulthood, it may be severe. It starts as a non-specific fever and headache. Following that comes fatigue, inflamed throat, enlarged spleen, or liver and rash. This virus remains in your cells to create chaos. This virus is thought to be responsible for more than 4 different types of cancer and is even linked to multiple sclerosis. Diagnosis of this virus is not easy because its initial symptoms are similar to other illnesses. Its presence is confirmed with a blood test that detects antibodies against the virus. This virus is, you guessed it, the Epstein-Barr virus. It is spread most commonly through bodily fluids, especially saliva. However, it can also spread through blood and semen during sexual contact, blood transfusions, and organ transplantations. Contaminated objects can also be a source of transmission. How to prevent contracting the virus? Well, there is no vaccine to protect against Epstein-Barr virus infection. The only way to stay away from it is by not kissing or sharing drinks, food, or personal items with people who have Epstein-Barr virus infection. It is probably impossible to stay away from it, so it is best to be exposed to the virus early on in childhood, as it is less harmful that way. There is no specific treatment for the infection. However, you can relieve symptoms by staying hydrated, getting plenty of rest, and taking over-the-counter medication for pain and fever.